has to. I bet you know. First of all, you're fantasy. For my name, you're bustle and assassin. Cause me if you keep central, we take back.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this hair I received from Ishow hair. This is their body wave, and I got this beautiful hair in 4 bundles and a frontal. So showing you quickly, this is what the frontal looks like. It's 18 inches and it's nice, but the front is not plucked, so I'm going to work on that in this video. You will see what it looks like when I wear it, and you now see the difference like you see in the intro. So these are the 4 bundles. These 4 bundles are 20 inches and they are so nice. Like these bundles, I love them. Like I don't even know how to explain how this hair is. It's so silky, it's so lush, it's so nice. Like everything is perfect. So I went ahead and constructed a wig with this hair. I didn't film the process of doing the wig, but you already know that I have a tutorial on my channel here. So if you're interested in knowing how I made this wig, you can check that out. So wearing this wig, this is what it looks like. You can see the edges are so harsh and it needed to be seriously plucked. I like the closure actually because it's full, really nice, and I know lots of people want hair that is this full. So if you have your mannequin head, you're gonna start placing it on it and pinning it down, and you spray some water. It's very necessary to spray water in because it makes you to know the amount of hair you want to remove. It kind of control how you remove the hair. So yeah, I'm going to be doing them in sections. I like to separate the hair in the middle, and I do one section first before I do the other. So in total, I'm going to remove, like from this section, I'm going to remove, right, I'm like going to thin out this section I'm separating. I'll thin it out so that you can have at least like something close to a normal hairline, you know. So you must have your tweezer to do this. So it's simple, but it's really time consuming. In total, I think I used like 3 hours to really pluck on the edges, and I did this very dedicated. You know, I used my time. I really used my time to do this very well. I dedicated a lot of time to do this so that I can get a good result. If you want a good result for your wig, you have to have time for your hair. You have to care for your hair. And so as I spray water in, I try to remove some hair. In future, I would like this company to kind of, you know, try and work more on their edges. Other than that, this hair is really nice. It's too full, like it's full. I know lots of people that will not complain, that will say, oh, this is perfect. But for me, I kind of worked on this part. So I continued to do this, and when I finished one section, you see the difference between the one I plucked and the one that I haven't. So let you watch how I plucked it. It's very easy. Just try, use your tweezer to grab on the parts you're gonna do, then you comb it out to remove the hair you have already removed. You can do them in any kind of section you want, but if your tweezer is new, be very careful because sometimes it can chop up the hair, and that place can be bald and you won't like it because this is the edge of your hair. It will be so horrible if you do that. So when you're doing this, you have to be careful. Do it gently, take your time, you know, and you like the results that you're going to have. So I did them in like sections, going to the back sections, across the head sections, in all directions, so that I can have them plucked evenly. And I kept on spraying water, you know, until I got my desired look. For some, my desired look is not perfect, but for me, I think it's all right. So on this part, I think it's all right like this. I thinned out, you know, that part, and you can see the difference. This difference is clear. Like you can see how nice here is. So I went ahead and finished the other part, and when I came back, I applied some mousse which is important. This helps you a lot. And when you have this comb iron also, is also very, very important. So after applying some mousse, I'm going to go ahead and use this hot comb iron, and I begin to, press it and push it backward. This will make the hair to really lay flat and to give your edges the kind of nice edges that you're looking for. This is how much hair I pulled. It was a lot actually. So yeah, this is how I did the front. This is really nice. I didn't bleach the knots of this wig. I wish I did, because I know it's time consuming and everything, but yeah, sometimes it's good to do it. But if you don't have time to do it like me, you can use your foundation or on your concealer, powder, whatever fits your color. So I went ahead and used my foundation. I'm using this foundation from Avon. Avon. So afterwards, I went ahead and used my powder to set it in, and it was perfect for me. Yeah, so that's the powder. I'm using the foundation right now. Then afterwards, I'm going to use my what's the name of my powder again? My powder is this product. Anyway, if I can't remember any product, I'm gonna put it down in the description box, and I hope I do. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and check how far it went, and you can see that the roots are okay. Not like if you bleached it, but it's all right. So what I did next is to go ahead and put some curls into the wig, and I'm using my Remington one curling iron, and I put some nice wavy curls, to further define the coils. After spraying water and all that to the hair, I kind of lost the coils that came with it, so I just went ahead and just put on some coils. So after putting the coils, this is what it looks like. It's nice, gorgeous. This hair is nice, amazing. And yeah, I just went ahead and applied this wig to my head, and in doing so, it's simple. You can see how nice it looks on me. Really, really lovely. I like this hair. So I'm trying to see where I can cut. You can see the before and after. The difference is clear, like it's clear. So I'm going to cut on both sides of the ear to fit my front hairline. Some people this will fit them, some people it won't. I think they made this frontal, like the size is big, so that if you have a smaller head you can cut. If you have a bigger front line, it will fit. So whichever fits you, you work on it. So I'm going to just cut just a little bit from this angle and on the other angle, and I will begin to cut also on the lace in front. Then I start to do my application. I'm using this tiny scissors. This works better, so that's what I'll be doing now. So for this application, I'm using got to be glue spray. I'm just going to spray a little on the hairline, and I'm gonna put the wig on it, and I use the tip of the rat comb and I just apply and press it down gently. Just take your time to do this. Don't be in a hurry. It can take you more than one application. It can take you like 3 application. If you put this on your hair and you find out that it doesn't really go, wet it, remove it, and start all over. You just have to just keep trying until you get it. So I tried to see if I can do a center part, but I wasn't feeling the center part, so I just went for side. Yeah, I didn't really pluck on the middle because I wasn't sure if I'm doing center part, so I just let that go. So I'm going to go ahead and just separate on the side, which I think fits better. And you can see the hair is laid in the front. It's nice. I'm using this comb iron to slick it down more, and that is how I apply this hair. Easy, nice, and you can see the coils I put in is banging and nice. Everything is lovely and perfect. So don't forget to check the link in the description box for link to this hair. And yeah, bye.
Yeah. Last two.